Yeah. High Street. Yeah.
So that's the way we said Daddy. Daddy, see the ball.
Good morning, everybody. So that's right, what Ted just said. We are off to Nana's this morning. Nana needs help putting the car seat back into her new car. She had a car accident a few weeks ago and wrote her car off. She wasn't going that fast. It was a little Hyundai. I think it was a Hyundai or a Suzuki. And yeah, she said it wasn't very well made and it wasn't very sturdy. But someone drove into the side of her and it knocked the whole front off. And that was it. So yeah, so she needs help putting the car seat back in for Ted to go out with her during the week when he goes over to Nana's. And then we are off to Sainsbury's. And then this afternoon, I'm going to try and make some chocolates. I've got an idea for a recipe for chocolates for Easter, which will go on my blog. Not next week, but the week after. My son is so noisy when he's getting dressed with his dad. It's amazing. So yeah, so another weekend, and we're looking forward to it. Oh, tonight is date night for Howard and I as well, because it was our anniversary yesterday. We've known each other for we've been together for 10 years. So it was our 10-year anniversary yesterday. So we are off out tonight as well. So we're looking forward to our day.
Slap up Weatherspoons.
A slap up Weatherspoons, apparently. Nice, thanks, Bear. Yeah, so as always, we shall take you with us. See you later. Bye. Nana's house done and the car seat is in and Nana is having fun with her new car.
Not even driven it yet.
She hasn't even driven it yet. Well, she still had the hire car until yesterday anyway, so that's why. Yeah, so I hope so. We should have said you should go to the petrol station first.
Will she know to look at the reading?
Yeah, I'm sure she will. She can't be
Maybe give
that.
her a ring, leave her a message when we park up.
Okay, I might have to ring my mother to tell her to put petrol in the car because it may not have a lot in the tank.
It won't have hardly anything.
No.
They might give her a free full tank, like out of courtesy.
I doubt it though. But yeah, so Mum is now going to take the car for a drive and we are off to Sainsbury's, aren't we, Teddy Bear? And a little bit of high street shopping as well. So I put my thumb up then, didn't I? As always, we shall take you with us. See you later. Bye. in the car. I always do this every week. We are on our way home now. We had a little run round the high street today. We went looking for a restaurant for tonight. We think we found one. We're going to call a Thai restaurant because it says on the menu that some of the food is gluten-free.
So most of it is.
Most of it's gluten-free, so that's really good for me.
Mainly vegetables and meat, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a Thai restaurant, so it looks really nice. So yeah, we're on our way home. We're going to have some lunch.
Cheese and pickle sandwich.
Cheese and pickle sandwich for Ted, or cheese and biscuits?
What's Ted having for dinner?
What are you having for dinner, sweetie pie?
Cheese and mass.
No, he's having sausage pasta. Anyway.
No, cheese and sauce and pasta and milk.
Yeah. Anyway, we shall take you with us. See you later. Bye. How do you want to tell everybody? You're eating the chocolate bear?
Yeah.
Why have we got a chocolate bear, Ted? Why have we got it?
Because it's yummy.
Because it's yummy. Right, so basically it was Howard and I's anniversary yesterday, and Howard came home with a rather large bunch of flowers for me and some lovely perfume, so I felt a bit guilty because all I did was put a picture up on Facebook.
No, and the teddy bear chocolate.
So I decided to go into Thornton's and buy him a teddy bear chocolate and a bag of toffee because he loves toffee. So this is Howard's anniversary present from me.
And for me and Daddy.
And well, it's for Teddy Bear as well apparently now.
And Daddy.
And Daddy,
It's
yeah.
actually mine. I'm letting you have some of it, Ted. I don't grasp that concept, but
Yeah, so that's why. Okay?
thank
See
you
you
very
later.
much.
Bye. So Teddy Bear is having a sausage pasta, but he has just eaten the sausage for his dinner, and Howard and I are going out. I have now been told that I'm not allowed to take you with me, so I'm leaving you at home, but we shall start this vlog again in the morning. We are going to have lunch again tomorrow, and then we are going to go to a place called Worley Place. Is it Worley Place?
Well, you tell me. Is that
Yeah, Worley Place. It's like a little garden. It was an old house and it's now a ruin, but they've made it into like a little garden that you can walk round and stuff. So if it's sunny tomorrow afternoon, I thought it might be quite a nice place to go. So we're going to go there tomorrow afternoon, hopefully. And yeah, so we'll start this vlog again in the morning. We're off out now. Woohoo! And that's Ted saying goodbye. So we'll see you later. Bye. Well, last night we went out, which I wasn't allowed to film according to Howard, so I couldn't take you with me. But we went to a Turkish restaurant in the high street. I think I said that last night, and we have been there before. It was absolutely delicious, and they were really good with the gluten-free thing as well. So that was nice. We had a lovely evening. Very nice to get away from your child sometimes. I know he goes to bed at 8 o'clock, but it's still quite nice to get away from him occasionally. And then this morning, I've just been doing a bit of blogging. I'm trying to prepare myself for the next like 3 weeks so that I can spend a bit more time with Ted during the Easter holidays rather than doing blogging and vlogging. So far I'm all right. I'm quite ahead at the moment, so that's good. And we've had lunch. We tried out the cheesy burgers again, which I will put on my blog, but I've actually got recipes for the next 3 weeks. But I will put that on my blog as soon as I have gone through all of those recipes. And then this afternoon, in about half an hour or so, I think we're going to go to a new place called Worley Place. It's just up the road from here. Unfortunately, it is walkable, but not really with Ted. So we're going to take the car. It's like a little, I think I said yesterday, it's like a little garden. It used to be a old house, like a stately home was there, but unfortunately it was left to go to ruins. It's like 25 acres, so it's quite big. And there's like, last time we went, all the daffodils were out, so it was really pretty. And I wished I'd had a camera on me, but someone grabbed me at the end of preschool and said, "Do you fancy going for a walk here for a little while?" And I was like, yeah, and I didn't have anything really to take photographs with, so. But we're going today, so hopefully we'll get some great shots of that. It's a really lovely little place, very quiet. It's run by a wildlife trust, I think now. and you have to put a sort of a little donation in a box before you go in. It's all very trustworthy, but it's very nice. So we shall take you there, and that's it. Yeah, so we'll take you there. Okay, see you later. Bye. He wants to follow the big group of people that have just walked past us. So he's disappeared around the corner and Daddy is going to get him right now. Sees a big group of people and he wants to be with them and not us. I suppose that's the same with all children though, isn't it?
Oh,
Yeah, no. What are we doing? Place, and we are now off to the pub for a little drink. We're going into the Thatcher's Arms now, so we'll take you with us.